If you want to clear cache on iPhone 16e, then unfortunately there is no dedicated option or button that allows you to clear all cache with a single tap or a single click. However, we can still clear some cache on our iPhone, and most of the time we actually have to go through the specific app settings. So for example, if you use like Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, WhatsApp, and anything else really, if cache is stored, then most of the time these apps have an option in the settings in these apps that allow you to clear that cache. And also, for example, if you use like a browser like Safari or any other apps that can be found pre-installed on the iPhone, most of the time you can go to the settings and then scroll all the way down, go to apps, and then here you can try to find the option to clear cache on these apps. So as an example, I'm going to actually go to Safari, and here if you scroll down you should be able to find clear history and website data, and this includes cache files. So of course we can choose the time frame. This includes the history of browsing. We can also close all tabs at once, and then we can choose clear history, and that helps you free up some space that is also occupied by cache files. But unfortunately, in the case of Safari, this is pretty much the only way to do so. Therefore, if you have an app, like in my case, I'm gonna use TikTok in this example, then in that case, you can try to find the settings that allow you to clear cache inside the app on your own, because obviously there are lots of different apps and different ways to clear that cache, but in general, the idea is that you have to find settings in the app, and in the settings you should be able to find some sort of free up space option, like in the case of this TikTok here, or in general clear data or something, and then we can find clear cache option. So here we can tap on clear in this specific example to clear the cache of the app. But like I said, different apps have different settings, different options, so you might need to search for the clear cache option on your own. But that is pretty much all. This is all we can do by ourselves on iPhone 16e. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!